Here's the ingredients you'll be needing: some raw cashews, coconut milk, vegan butter, fresh garlic, and then to flavor the sauce, you'll need soy sauce, onion powder, Italian seasoning is optional, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and nutritional yeast. And then for my pasta, I got this one from Trader Joe's. It's lentil and brown rice pasta, some mushrooms, and some kale. Once your cashews have been boiled and softened for about 5 to 10 minutes, you want to put them in a high-speed blender. I'm just going to use my NutriBullet, and now we're going to add all of the seasonings. I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons of vegan butter. Then we're going to add in a cup of the coconut milk, garlic powder, some onion powder, some pink Himalayan salt, and black pepper, not too much black pepper, a tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm also adding Italian seasoning to mine. You don't have to, this is just how I like mine to taste. And then last, we're gonna add in some nutritional yeast. This is key to getting that quote-unquote cheesy flavor that the Alfredo type of pasta has. Usually I go pretty heavy-handed. I want to say I probably add about 3 to 5 tablespoons of this. This is the consistency of what the sauce should look like. Next, we're going to add in the mushrooms. We're just going to cook them down a bit. I'm also going to add in some chopped garlic. And now I'm adding in my kale. Once that wilted down, you're just going to take your pasta sauce and add that in as well. It's okay if there's water in from the pan because it'll thin the sauce out a bit. And then you're just going to mix everything together until it's all nice and creamy. Once the sauce is mixed up, you want to add in your pasta and mix it all together. I'm adding more sauce here, and then I'm also adding more coconut. Added a bit more coconut milk, salt, and black pepper. And you guys, this tastes delicious. And voila, that is how I make my homemade vegan Alfredo pasta. Thank you guys for watching. Love you.